Namaste, hello beautiful friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lindsay Nova, and I am an international yoga teacher traveling the world, teaching yoga and spreading my light and message. So thank you so much for joining me. Today we are going to continue my pranayama series. So this is my series on breathing techniques and how to control and expand your life force energy. So please make sure you've checked out the other videos before you move on to this one today. So today we are going to practice Nadi Shodhana. This is alternate nostril breathing. So what does this mean? So Nadi Shodhana actually means cleansing your nadis. Your nadis are your energetic irrigation system. If you think of them as like the veins inside of your body, your nadis are the veins of your subtle energy body. You can't see them, but they are there. Okay, it's said that we have over 72,000 nadis. However, there are three main ones in the body. So we have the Ida, the Pingala, and the Sushumna Nadi. So on an energetic level, this breathing technique helps to balance and harmonize both sides of the body and both sides of the brain and our energetic levels in the body. We all have a spark of masculine and feminine energy, and the ancient yogis knew this and began to devise this system thousands of years ago, which we still use today. So we have the Pingala Nadi is on the right hand side of the body, and it is related to the masculine energy, the solar current, and it is connected to your left hand brain. Then we have the Ida Nadi, which is on the left side. This is the feminine current, and this is the passive and the yielding side, which is related to the right brain. So Pingala Nadi is right hand side, solar active left brain, and Ida Nadi is on the left hand side, and this is right brain. This is our feminine, yielding, creative, lunar side. And then we have the Sushumna Nadi is in the center of the body. And so this is related to our spinal column, and it is also related to the energy of Kundalini, which is the energy of spiritual awakening. And this energy resides at the base of your spine, and it is said that when it awakens, it is like a serpent, and it coils up through all of your chakras, so through all of the energy centers that run along your spine. It pierces through them, and it comes out and blossoms through the crown of your head so that you are connected to the divine source of abundance. It is possible to have a Kundalini awakening and still resume and continue your normal life here on planet Earth, okay? So don't be afraid if you have a Kundalini awakening that you're gonna float away. You just may live a more enlightened life, which we all want, right? Okay, so also, alternate nostril breathing helps to balance out the oxygen levels in your brain. So again, this goes back to harmonizing our body and bringing equal amounts of energy into our body and into our brains, because ultimately we want a functional and happy and healthy brain so that our body and our mind function in a healthy way that feels good. So one thing you can try is just noticing which side of your nose you feel like you're breathing in and out of more often. And this is something that changes depending on the time of day or even day to day. So you may find in the morning when you wake up, you may feel more active, more alert, more energized. You may be breathing in and out through the right hand side of the nose. In the afternoon, maybe after you've had some lunch and you get that kind of afternoon slump, you may be breathing in and out more through the left hand side of the nose. So again, the right hand side of the nose, this is related to the left brain, so this is the activating masculine energy. And then when you feel tired, you'll breathe more in and out through the left hand side of the nose. So that's the feminine, the yielding sort of energy. Now, this is not a hard and fast rule. It may not apply or work for you, but this is generally what we see when we look at our energy levels and how we breathe. So this is a technique you can use if you get tired in the afternoon or you don't have any energy in the morning for some reason. You can learn to control and expand your energy through Nadi Shodhana. So to practice this pranayama technique, we are going to make a mudra with the right hand. So you're going to bring your index finger and your middle finger together and place them on your third eye. We're going to use the thumb and the ring finger to control which nostril we're opening and closing. You can also make the chin mudra by bringing the index finger and the thumb together on the other side, on your other hand. You can always close your eyes if you feel silly. So you'll take an inhale through both sides of the nose, and then as you exhale, you'll use your thumb to close the right nostril and exhale completely through the left nostril. And then you'll inhale through the left nostril, and then close with the ring finger, open up the right side, and exhale through the right side. And then inhale through the right side, close with the thumb, and then exhale through the left side. So the rule is you always inhale from the same side that you just exhaled from. This is how you can remember which side that you're on. So once you become proficient at your alternate nostril breathing, you can begin to then add samavritti. So samavritti is our equalized breathing. I like to start with 5-count inhale and 5-count exhale. So I would exhale, you always start on the left side, inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close with the ring finger, exhale through the right nostril, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close with the thumb and exhale through the left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I recommend that you practice this for at least 3 minutes a day. And again, you can use the Insight Timer app just to set a little alarm on your phone that sounds nice, that has a nice chime that will alert you when you are finished with this practice. So let me know if you have any questions. Again, my name is Lindsay Nova. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste and Sat Nam.